Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit Channel, to your sexy abs in 30 days. And so today we're on day 27. Yay! Only 3 more days plus what we got today, which is wall abs. We had so many great responses to the other wall abs. I thought I would throw in another one. Plus, you know, who doesn't need a little extra support after New Year's Eve? Okay, so what we're gonna do is 6 different exercises. I'll tell them to you, and then we have about 10 seconds to rest so I can explain what we're doing in between. Okay, so the first one, we're gonna start with a wall plank, you guys. So the best way to set that up is just to make sure that your palms are under your shoulders and that your feet, when you walk up the wall, suck your belly up and in, and make sure you're not too far up. You wanna make sure that you're in perfect length, like one solid plank. Does that look like one solid plank? Okay, so that's what we do. If you just want to get set up, we're gonna start the timer right about now. So get in that wall plank and really push into your palms, suck your belly up and in, and puff up your shoulders like a Halloween cap. Really tuck it in and tight. If you have to come down for a break, it's okay, but wrap your triceps up and under and make sure that you're pushing equally against the wall as you are into your hands. We have 20 seconds. Stay strong, warriors. You got this. Keep breathing. Don't let that belly drop. 15 seconds or less. Suck it in, suck it in. If you have to come back to the wall because you slipped, that's okay. I'm sort of slipping here. Woo! Good job. All right, so come down from that. What we're gonna do next is sit up against the wall in a wall squat. And then basically try to get as low as you can. Make sure your knees don't pass your toes and get your back all the way to the wall. Now level 1, you guys can stay here, but make sure you tuck your abs up and under and hold them strong. Level 2 and 3, if you guys want to switch by alternating legs, you can give it just the leg lift if that's enough for level 2. Level 3, if you guys want to lift and go up, lift and pulse down, lift and pulse down, that's level 3. Level 1, just this alone is crazy for your core. So that's great, just push your back all the way. Like I said, level 2, if you guys are getting that little extra. Whew. Okay, we're going back to wall planks. So set up for that again. Getting yourself up here. And now spread apart your feet a little bit so you have a little bit more stance, little control. And then bring your hands to the center as you lift one hand up, as you push into the feet without pushing your butt up, right? So this one's a little tricky, and if you only get a couple in, that's cool too, because it's seriously hard to do. Doing great. Even if you just do a couple arm switches, that's good. But hold your core really strong here. Almost 10 seconds left. And make sure you are breathing. Good job. And come back down. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is come on our back and come all the way next to the wall with your bum. And that's the best way to scoot it down so your bum's against the wall. And now open your legs wide, arms above your head, and just touch the wall on the open. So close your legs, open your legs, touch the wall as you crunch up. Keep your toes pointed as you open, touch the wall. And go as fast or as slow. You guys hold the intensity dial. So just make sure that you're breathing. And that's really important as we start to chisel our abs, because we want to get that oxygen down in there so that we can continually build muscle and burn fat. One more. Good job. You guessed it, we're going back into wall planks. I know you hate me. It's okay. Okay, so go right back in. I love you though. So go back in your wall plank here, guys. And what you're going to do is start to touch opposite shoulders for 4, and then knee to tricep for 4. So you're switching between the 2, 3, 4. Try not to let your hips sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you have to back it up. It's okay, but push your feet against the wall. Pretend like you have suction cups on the bottom of your feet. Less than 10 seconds left, and we go to alternating knee to triceps, and you're done with wall planks. We're gonna get close to the wall again, but this time we're going to take our toes and kind of windshield wiper them from side to side. Now, if you are at level 1 and this is too much for your lower back, feel free to extend one leg out if you need that support on the wall. Otherwise, level 2 and 3, float your knees all the way down to the opposite side as you feel the twist. This is really helping to chisel our waist, and you're just brushing your toes on the wall very lightly, not quite dropping the legs. Keep breathing. Good job. Maybe tent those fingers like I'm doing to give you a little bit more support, and really feel those obliques working. And that, my friends, was your 6-minute abs. Now I tell you what, we have so much on this channel coming to you. More powerful and restorative workouts, recipes, anti-aging. So don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell, because you want days 28, 29, 30, wherever you are, whatever time of year it is. Have an amazing day. Namaste, friends. See you tomorrow.